So if I want the transformation matrix going from B to C, B goes on the left, C goes on the right. And row reduce. Honestly, I remember when I took linear algebra, my third unit test and my final exam were both open notes, and we all thought that the professor was like the coolest guy in the world. Actually, I didn't. I hated his guts, um, but for other reasons way prior to that. I mean, maybe you hate my guts. I don't know. Maybe you know exactly what I'm talking about. But anyway, he gave us open notes tests, but then made us do all this stuff by hand. So, like, what was the point of the open notes? Like, no, I'm not. You do all this stuff on the calculator. We're done. I mean, I don't want to say we're fully done doing stuff by hand, but I mean, there's a very minimal amount of things that you need to do by hand now. Like, I already kind of beat you to death with that. Actually, even still, we didn't really do a lot by hand. It was like problem here, problem here. The reality is, I get bored doing this stuff by hand. It's like once you know how to do it, it's like just be done with it. All right, so left-hand side is row reduced down into reduced row echelon form. This right-hand side becomes the transformation matrix that takes anything that's in basis B and shoots it on over to basis C. So then if you actually wanted to transform a vector, you would then have to actually multiply. Because remember, the matrix multiplication is just, that's how we transform vectors, right? Whether it's rotation or otherwise. So, you know, reflection, rotation. So if I had a vector, well, the zero vector isn't going anywhere, but if I had my I vector, like well, it wouldn't be I because it would be going from basis B. So their I is 201. But if I were to say I'm just taking the vector 100 in basis B, right? So in their universe, wherever 100 lands, and I want to put that in basis C, all I would do is multiply this matrix by the 100. In which case I would get just the 2, 1, yeah, just 211, right? And so that would be my transformed matrix, right? So, or my transformed vector. Very simple procedurally. So you can do like 100 more of them. It's going to be the same thing.